Want to save 10% on your Amazon referral fees? Hey, I'm Norm Farrar, and today we're going to be talking about Amazon Brand Referral Program. But before we get into it, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. Make sure you check out Private Label Legion for free information and resources. Oh yeah, and make sure you check out our Facebook group and give us a like. So what is Amazon's Brand Referral Bonus Program? Amazon sellers must first register for Brand Registry. Once you get that approval, you can enroll in the Brand Referral Program. This program allows registered sellers to save between 8 and 15% depending on your product category. Now, this isn't an instant rebate at all, but what it will show up as is a referral credit on any external traffic that is coming from outside of Amazon. Yes, Amazon is going to reward you. They're going to reward sellers for external traffic pointed to their Amazon accounts. They're finally getting it. And what I mean by external traffic is traffic generated from Facebook ads, Instagram, Pinterest. It could be from influencers. It could even be from Google ads, any of those. Plus, another big bonus is that they have a tracking system. So you can see what ads are working, what ads aren't, and where you're blowing your money. You're going to be able to quantify what's good, bad, or ugly. So are your Pinterest accounts working? Are your Facebook campaigns working? But you can dive even deeper and see what style of ad is working for you. So that's pretty cool. Unfortunately, though, the current program is open for just sellers in the US. I hope that changes soon. So we'll make sure that you're notified once it does spread out more globally. All right, I'm gonna go down another rabbit hole just for a quick second. If you don't own your brand and you still wanna get some form of commission through referral traffic, you can still do that through Amazon's associate program. But you can look into that and see if that's right for you. Now, getting back to the Amazon referral program, Amazon will create payouts twice a month based on the customers who click on that link. Okay, there is something that could be frustrating and you should be aware of. Amazon will still have returns. They'll still have some customer service issues. So just be prepared that some of the profits that you make or credits that you make could be clawed back. I just want you to be aware of it. Now, how do you maximize these results? In my opinion, this program was created in a way so that Amazon can get away from just competition on Amazon, that you can branch into new markets. This allows some freedom for the seller. This allows you, and Amazon understands this now, there's a lot more going on. Other markets are expanding. And how do they drive new customers who may have never had the Amazon experience back over to Amazon to capture that? And they know that private label sellers is probably the best way to do it. So why not reward them for driving that traffic? So for those of us who believe that Amazon has never allowed us to be really creative on their platform, now we can go for it. You can be as creative as you want, as long as it stays within the terms of service of the platform that you're using for that external traffic. So don't let your creative minds go to waste. You can hire people if you're not creative, but this is a great way, a new way to express your brand, build your community, drive traffic over to Amazon, and get some new sales. Please note, not every product will use the same type of advertising. Certain products will fit Pinterest better, or Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And we should touch on influencer marketing as well. A lot of sellers don't realize the power of a really great influencer and for them to drive traffic over to your site. So kind of keep this in mind and take a look. Make sure, just like when you went and looked at your product and created a product opportunity, what did you do? You looked at the different competition. Well, check out your competition on the different social media platforms or different influencers and see what's best for you. So many sellers will jump to the conclusion that a traditional social media platform will work. So traditional strategies using Facebook ads, drive ads over to a landing page and from there over to your Amazon listing. Well, you're free. You can do anything that you want. I highly recommend that you do in-depth competitive analysis. If you're not experienced with this or you don't feel comfortable with this, hire somebody. It's easy to do. There's lots of outsourcing platforms that you can go to get somebody who's experienced. And remember, you can be as creative as possible, and you don't have to stick to just one platform. Experiment a little. So here are 6 simple steps to get set up with your brand referral program. Number 1, probably most important, register for brand registry. Once you get approval, you move on to step 2. You can get enrolled in the brand referral program. Now, like I said earlier, this program is unfortunately only open to the US sellers, but we will make sure in an update if we hear of anything different. Number 3, register for the Amazon Attribution program. Keep in mind, the brand referral program will not do anything unless you can add a link or a tag from the Attribution program. I'll get into that in a second, but make sure you register for the Attribution program. This is going to help you track and measure your campaign's performance. Okay, number 4, now that you have the Attribution program, you're going to create and set up links or tags for every one of your external marketing campaigns. Now, this is going to help you see what's good, what's bad, and what's ugly. So if something's working really well, you might have 5 or 6 or 10 or 20 different types of campaigns going across different types of social media. You don't want to blow your budget on something that's not working. Maybe Pinterest is not working for you. Maybe an influencer might not, but Facebook and certain types of Facebook ads are working great, or Google ads. So it's so important that you do this for every campaign that you've set up. Garbage in is garbage out. Number 5 is where the fun comes in. That's when you launch your external campaigns. And finally, number 6, review the reporting that's available through Amazon Attribution program. It's going to allow you to see how they're performing. Like I said, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, all you need to do from here is rinse and repeat. Whatever is working, go for. Whatever is not, get rid of. And that's it. You're set up. So if you do that, first of all, you're driving tons of external traffic over to you. Amazon's going to love you, and they're going to reward you. All right, now I have to slide in a little bit of, I don't know if it's bad news, but anyways, Amazon could take up to 2 months to actually get your payment. Okay, so sometimes if an ad is done in September, you'll see that bonus credit come in. Well, it could take till November, but you're still getting credit, so that's what counts. All right, now some good news. So if you've set up your brand registry program correctly, it's a great way to introduce new audiences to your brand. Not only that, you can build the community, you can save on some ad costs, and now I'm talking specifically on external traffic, since Amazon is going to reward you. So keep that in mind. They're telling you that they want external traffic. They want these outside links. Make sure that you set up your attribution links or tags correctly, and just don't do one big link, because it's not going to help you at all. Be as detailed as possible. Are you using the Amazon Brand Referral Program? If so, let us know what kind of results you're seeing. To get more free information, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Facebook community at thelegion.group.